Picking up my brother. Joe got the cammed out truck right here. What would you call that sound?
Shitbox R Us.
Gonna prepare for Hurricane Matthew. Hopefully we don't get hit that bad, but you'll see in some of these videos.
You're gonna learn nothing while we're trying to put air in a tire that isn't taking air. You're not gonna learn a fucking thing.
So the tire's a piece of shit.
No, it's not a piece. Okay, hang on. I had it fucking turned off here.
It's okay, Grandpa. We all make mistakes, man.
Yeah, but shit, I should know better.
All right, so the storms are brewing. Should be here in a few hours, but until then, there's some surfers down the beach over there. Brought the underwater house just in case.
That tree is all over the place and the fucking palm trees are just like swaying from side to side. It's like palm trees are built to deal with this type of wind.
Surviving Matthew, not too close.
Why is it so easy to grab?
So the surf is so good right now that I'm actually walking back over there to go get my underwater housing, my Maycon housing. We'll never see Florida surf like this. All thanks to Hurricane Matthew, which didn't really hit us, but still giving us pretty cool surf.
Got some fish with some guys for Felix.